Good evening, sir.
Good evening too.
I am Maika Ryoboka, and today I'll be presenting you um, a mini lecture about rheumatic diseases. And this presentation is entitled Relief in Reach Understanding and Managing Rheumatic Diseases and Pain. So this presentation is dedicated to raising awareness and about rheumatic conditions and how we can take simple proactive steps to manage them. So tudloan akong ikaw sa mga lecture lecture awareness about sa uh, iba-ibang types it rheumatic diseases, mga simple nga mga steps on how to manage kung paano temporarily relieve pain kung paano ma-prevent to further pain. So,
Thank you.
maipakita ako kay mga i-share screen ko ang ako niya presentation. Let's begin by exploring the main types of rheumatic diseases. So, we'll be focusing on three common ones. Ay, forgot ay. Ito. Okay, so can you see the presentation?
Yes, mom.
Okay, so the title of my presentation for today is Relief in Reach Understanding and Managing Rheumatic Diseases and Pain. So let's begin by exploring the main types of rheumatic diseases. So may una nga tatlo nga types nga ako nga i-discuss, which are first rheumatoid arthritis, and next osteoarthritis, and last ay ang gout. So think of this section as our roadmap. And these diseases may sound similar, but they differ significantly in causes, symptoms, and treatment. So, daya hay mga familiar, di ba nga mga sakit sa sa joints, pero may sandaratanan hay may pagka iba-iba man ag may similarities man, may mga pagkakaparehas man. Okay, next. So first nga disease, type of rheumatic disease nga akong i-discuss is the rheumatoid arthritis. So rheumatoid arthritis dayahay isang ka chronic autoimmune condition, which means your immune system meant to protect you mistakenly attacks your body. So gina-attack na imo nga sarili nga uh, nga sarili nga body. So, dahil kara, it leads to pain, pamamaga, swelling, inflammation sa joints, but not just the joints, but also maka-affect sa organs like ang skin, lungs, or heart. Okay, tandaan mo, maka-affect sa skin, lungs, heart, eyes, pagid, and blood vessels. So this happens. So I already mentioned that. So for example, someone nga may rheumatoid arthritis might feel morning stiffness. So kung sa agahon may ko masakit sa anda nga mga alima, it lasts longer than 30 minutes. So medyo mabuhay ro pag pananakit, which can be a sign of inflammation rather than just aging. So yun. So, let's now take a look at the complications or ang mga first is ang mga symptoms, causes, risk factors it dayang nga rheumatoid arthritis. So, 'di ba may ginsend ako kimo nga um brochure kat daya ho, mga daya
No.
rheumatoid
Oh.
arthritis. Okay, so ginbasa man nimo?
Oh, paso na lang mo tayo na.
Sige, okay lang. I-discuss na ko doon makarag gihapon. Um sa rheumatoid arthritis, may painful, warm, swollen joints. Another symptoms, joint stiffness, tiredness, fever, and wait gana magkaon. Din yung mga simptomas. Sa mga causes man, risk factors, ito yung nga sakit, a mix of genetic changes and factors from outside the body. So, genetically, naman or pwede ang hormones maka-affect man, and also ang infection sa mga certain nga mga viruses. Wait lang. So complications, narasanda, rheumatoid arthritis increases the risk if mga other serious conditions like osteoporosis, rheumatoid nodules, dry eyes and mouth infections, carpal tunnel syndrome, heart problems, lung disease, and lymphoma. The lymphoma is a type of cancer. So this shows how important early management is. So habang bukod pa it malala, hay, importante gid nga agapan. So next, okay. So as for the joint friendly exercises includes ay man, wait lang. So, yan kita. Yan kita. So let's take a quick look at some sample exercises that are gentle and effective for people with arthritis. So ako na ipakita mo ang mga range of motion na mga exercises or movements. Also ang hip pain exercises, ang mga gentle stretching exercises para ma-relieve ang pain or ma-relieve ang mga stiffness, inflammation sa imong mga joints. While arthritis is a chronic condition, managing it effectively through diet and exercise can significantly improve your quality of life. Habang pangalan ni Dr. John Davis III from the Mayo Clinic, small changes in what you eat and how you move can lead to big improvements in pain and mobility. So, maskin sa kira nga small effort, big impact. Masyado yun doon na nga gusto nga iparating. Remember nga, by incorporating anti-inflammatory foods and engaging in arthritis-friendly exercises, you can take control of your joint health and stay active for years to come. So, kung ano pa nimo, aray, kung naalagaan imo nga joint health, hay, maano pa kung magugang ikaw pa nga mayad hay, makahugag paghapon jud ikaw it mayad. Diba? Bukod it palalakit gid nga mayad nga kasakit-sakit. Hindi un makaobra ganon. Sinyan kita. So, remember nga arthritis may be chronic or buhay imo nga sakit, diba? Bukod nga it one time nga gakatabo, but it is manageable. So, pwede gid manage. And through awareness, diet, and proper movement, we can take control of our health. So, thank you for listening. And I hope this presentation has helped you better understand rheumatic diseases and inspired you to make positive changes. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you too. Okay. God bless.